Okay, here we are, dust bowls. I'm going down here. You're looking good on that.
Shit, I just got whipped by a grace. I almost got knocked out by that fucking log back there.
Show me what you got. That's it. I got the best idea. That jump's looking good or no?
Oh, dude, it's like straight up to the wall. What's that? What's that?
2 dogs, 1 goat, and a complete legend. We are at the MKS Moto Factory once again. Hey Fred, what are you doing? What are you up to, Fred? How's life in the moto world?
Not bad.
How's that pipe you're sucking on? Juicy.
Not bad.
Not bad. Not bad. What air pressure should I run?
Here to
Just feel it. Feels pretty good. I don't care about the pressure, really. Like, am I gonna have a blowout?
It's only flat on the bottom.
Time to fucking shred. Let's go. Let's go, Fred. Watch out. Bit. It's like 7,000% humidity. Thanks for tuning in, boys. While you're here, smash that subscribe button, hit the like button. Much just like hang out, get all the boys' bikes ready, slave, they all ride, and then you just work on bikes.
Yeah, I haven't been riding much lately.
No, because I seen just like 10 guys pull up, tires, forks, tires. You know what I mean?
It's a slave life, but you know, it's, you know, the average business guy, my white privilege check isn't gonna cash itself, so gotta work for it.
This is true though. I mean, fuck it, vote for Biden. You'll get free money. This guy's going pro. Tomorrow when he hits that hill climb, he's gonna be airing out of it, no-hander, maybe backflip. Do you know you have that on there?
Huh? Oh, yeah, fucking good call.
We're out here, boys, girls. Look at this motherfucker. Okay, he's going for it.
sins keep seeping in. They've left my soul at war within. I'd ask you for an answer, but I don't know how to begin. It seems to me that all is left is pain.
Look at that gear.
But it's pain I can maintain, but how much longer I can't say. Now I wish I knew a better way. Oh, yeah. So tell me now before I go. I need you to know. Yeah. Tell me something I ain't gonna know.
We're like 2 days off from it being prime.
It is?
2 days off.
Your life is like 2 days off of being prime. How you look right now.
You out there smiling when you ride?
Yeah, I bet you are.
Keep it black.
Holy shit, brother.
Good time. I'm having a good time. Nothing but good times after 5.
I thought he left his dog at home. Why is he taking his dog for a walk? He's taking his dog for a walk.
Long walk back.
Oh, like a mile.
I know, I got lucky it died where it did. The sound of failure right there.
That's a bad dog. Are you good? And it's squeaking. Yeah, mine's barking.
Is that the gate? Yeah, that's the gate. It's closed. Wonder what caused it.
You have to rebuild the entire car probably.